Hello everyone, Patrick here, the Business Friday coming to you on a Tuesday. And today we're going to do an unboxing of a JBL Powerful Bass Boost Party Box on the go. So you're going to open this up with me and we're going to see what it looks like and see what it comes with. On the side it says it has powerful JBL sound. Comes with a wireless microphone, cool, so we can all karaoke and party. Has an input for mics and guitars, which could be helpful if you like to jam. And it has portable recharger battery up to 6 hours. All right, well, enough of this talk. Let's get started. Let's open this thing up and see what we get. All right, we're doing a little bit of opening here. Nice box. And as we open this up, from all the different JBL equipment I bought, it's always packaged well. You don't usually have to worry about it falling apart. Look at this. Comes with the party strap. Who would have known? Yes, this is going to be great. So we can just put it on our arm and just like party. All right, so we got the party strap out. Let's see what else we got when we open this bad boy up. Okay, you got this nice envelope. I don't know what's in here, but dang. Looks like it's an invitation for a wedding or something. Let's open it up. Boom, party box. Something on the go, quick start guide. So I guess there's a whole guide on how to use this thing. All right. So we'll figure that out here very shortly. Next, we're gonna actually open this thing up and take it out of the box. Now let's see what this thing looks like getting out of the box. We're gonna, don't wanna throw it down on the ground. We're gonna take this out and put it down here. And once we open up this cover, we're gonna see what it looks like. Then you get this other box here that I would guess has the microphone in it. Okay, so here we go. Open this thing up. And here is the party box. I love these different JBL systems. They are some of the best sounding systems on the market, and it's so neat now that you can just get them and take them to the beach with you, put them in the back of your car, whatever you like to do. All right, so here we go. What's really nice I found is I've dropped these underneath my truck and I got scratches on mine, but this really keeps the speaker from getting beat up. It's a super sturdy case. Like I said, I was taking this out of my Expedition and a different one, and the thing just fell down on the ground. It slid under the truck, just picked it up. I take it to the beach. We've taken this thing everywhere. So it's very, very versatile. Here you can see you have some hooks for the strap. And then we have all these knobs here. That's really cool. You have the guitar input, the mic. Got this thing upside down. Echo, treble, bass. And it has these nice up and down buttons here so you can put the bass, so you can put the volume up and down. Here's the bass boost. I think there's 3 bass boosts. I like it on number 2 because I think it sounds the best. Here's how you can turn on and off the party light. And then here's how if you want to use your Bluetooth, so you can pair it, you click that. Here's the input for the microphone right here. And just the quality is great on these. And I bought this for $199 at Best Buy. I don't know if they're still on sale. That was like a few weeks ago. But I mean, I think it's just a great buy and they sound great. The only downfall I've heard of this one is I have the Party Box 110 and that literally lasts for like 11 or 12 hours. where I've heard this only lasts for 4 hours. It says 6. So the battery doesn't last as long, but it still is a party box and we plug it in. What's cool about this one though is it does come with the microphone, and as I bring that up, let's take a look. Before we do, right here is where you're gonna open this up, and there should be a connector for the plug here. You can put in just a regular cord in here, like a microphone cord or any kind of input, and then you could even charger. So you can also bring these camping, charge them up, use them to charge up your appliance, your iPad or your phone or whatever. So that's what's pretty cool. Okay, now let's take a look here. I don't even know. It's Business Friday. It's only Wednesday. Oh my gosh, this is a party. Here we go. Look at this. We have this nice bag. Can you believe it? They give you JBL bag. I don't even know why we have that. Ah, very nice. A cool wireless microphone. Nice quality, looks really good. Has an on button there, JBL. You can start, karaoke, whatever you like to do. Tell everyone it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. And then we have some batteries for the microphone here, and there's our plug. So that's just a brief overview of opening this thing up.